Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create these cute rain boots on Dress to Impress. So first of all, you are going to go to this area and you're going to get these boots. Then I'm just going to color it yellow for the Coraline rain boots, and then for this area you're going to select these boots and you're going to color it all the same with the rest of the color of the boots, and voila, here you got some cute rain boots on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.